Imagine you find a shiny rock. It's rare, but does that mean it's valuable? Now imagine a digital coin, invisible, untouchable, worth thousands of dollars. Why? Today we're breaking down what makes Bitcoin valuable, like you're 5 years old. Let's go! When you're 5, value is simple. A shiny sticker might be worth trading your cookie for, but only if your friend agrees. Bitcoin works the same way. It's valuable because people believe in it and are willing to trade for it. Imagine there's a magical tree that grows only 21 apples, ever. No more apples can grow after that. Bitcoin is like that tree. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins, and no one, not even a president, can make more. That's called scarcity, and it's one of the biggest reasons Bitcoin has value, just like gold. Instead of a bank or one person in charge, Bitcoin runs on a giant network of computers all around the world. No one controls it, which means no one can cheat it, turn it off, or print more. It's like a giant playground with no boss, but with rules everyone follows. Every time someone uses Bitcoin, it gets written in a magical notebook, the blockchain, where no one can erase or change it. That makes Bitcoin safe, honest, and trustworthy without needing a bank or middleman. Just like kids at school might agree Pokemon cards are cool, people around the world agree Bitcoin is valuable. The more people use and trust it, the more valuable it becomes. So next time someone says Bitcoin isn't real, ask them this: is the paper in your wallet real? Or is it the belief behind it that matters? If you liked this explainer, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's curious about Bitcoin. And remember, keep learning, block by block.